Hello and welcome back to Divergent Studios. Today we are going to be installing a curved shower rod. Alright, so I'm just going to get right to it and start installing this thing. Okay, so if you don't know, you need to measure down from the ceiling down to about where you want your shower rod. I actually don't need to measure because I'm putting it right at the top of the shower. So like right here is where it's going to be. The first thing you need to do, well, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. I'm using my drill with the Phillips attachment. There we go. Alright, so when you put them up there, you're going to want it in this direction. See that? Okay, so you're going to want to put it where you want it, with these up and down. Put little dots where your screws are going to go. Okay, so once you get your holes marked where you want it to go, you want to just grab a screw. And start your holes just like that. Grab your piece again. Put it up there in place. And then with the holes already started, you can just screw it in with your finger to hold it. And then just tighten it in. Like that. Now we're going to do the same thing to this other side. Okay, so the problem with using a drill for some of these things is if you're not very, very careful and take things slowly, then you can strip out the screw. So just be careful with that. To counteract that, you can use just a hand tool. It doesn't completely take away the possibility, but it reduces it. Okay, so up next we got the actual rod here. Now what we're going to want to do is make sure they're both curved in the right direction. You slide one inside of the other, just like so. Okay, so here you can see there's the top and the bottom part. The parts that I said need to be up and down like this. Okay, and here's why. Okay, so each side, this one is wider than the other one, and it corresponds with the holes here. So you want to make sure that you got a wide side and a skinny side. Okay, so here we have the pole. What we're going to want to do is take the cover. This is going to go right over this, and it's going to hide all the mechanics we're putting in. So before we put the rod into place, we're going to want to put it on here. And do the same for the other side. The other side actually can be put on just before you hook it up on this side. Okay, so now we have the rod in place, as you can see. Then we have little screws right down through the top, right into the bottom. The same thing for the other side. Now when you're putting this together, if you're standing in the shower like I am, you want to make sure that the curve is going away from you. It's going out into the bathroom. If you are standing on, of course, out of the bathtub or shower, wherever you're putting this into, you want to make sure that it's coming out to you. Okay, so now we got the bolt down through. With it comes a little more hardware. We got a washer and a tiny little nut. Put the washer on. Put the nut on. We will need to tighten that up a little. Same thing for the other side. Okay, next we're going to want to slide these in place. They got little tabs on the inside. Line it up, slide it in, and twist. And done. Just like that. Same thing for the other side. Twist. And done. Alright, so here we have it. We got the curtain rod installed, and pretty good here. Next up, we're going to be installing the new shower curtain to go on top of this. Alright, well, thank you very much. This has been Diversion Studios, and please like this video, hit a sub. It'd be greatly appreciated. It's free. And thank you very much.